Today I'm here to talk to you about volume, specifically in cones and cylinders. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a 3D object. For example, this large can has a significantly greater volume than this small can. It's easy to see because they're the same shape, but what if they were different? Let's do an example involving one cone and one cylinder. An ice cream shop sells ice cream in either a cone or a cylindrical cup. Both the cone and the cup have a radius of 3 centimeters. However, the cone is 7 centimeters tall and the cup is 3 centimeters tall. Which contains more ice cream, the cone or the cup? Let's start by labeling everything we know about both the cone and the cup. The cone is 7 centimeters tall. The cylinder, or the cup, is only 3 centimeters tall. They both have the same radius of 3 centimeters. You would think the cone would have significantly more ice cream in it because, well, its height is more than twice as much. Volume equals pi times r squared h for the cylinder. We substitute pi for 3.14. The radius is 3 and the height is 3. Little calculator magic, plug it all in, and you end up with 84.78 cubic centimeters. So that's how much ice cream can fit in the cup. Now let's work out the cone. Similar formula, except there is a 1/3 in front of pi times r squared h. Let's see what that does to the volume. V equals 1/3 times 3.14 times 3 squared, the radius squared, times 7. First, we'll work out just the whole numbers and the decimals. So I'll bring down 1/3 so we can see 3.14 times 3 squared ends up being 197.82. Now, when I multiply a decimal by a fraction, I want you to notice that the numerator becomes that decimal, 197.82 over 3, or divided by 3. Gives you 65.94, slide it over, cubic centimeters. So, even though the cone is more than twice as tall, its volume is significantly less. As always, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.